Okay, this is my clown. Mouth works good. The clothes are handmade. The hands are made of wood. The head's made out of pine. The eyes are acrylic. They don't move. Has a ring lever, so it can use either hand on it. If you have to replace anything, the wig is on with staples. You just take the staples out, unscrew the back of the head, then you can get inside if you ever have to make any kind of adjustments or if you have to fix something. But I have him for sale for $200 plus postage. You can reach me on my Facebook page if you're interested. But that's the clown.